Rồi,
Hi, welcome back to Thames Auto Care. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to test a knock sensor. So come on over here. Okay, what I got is a 2003 Toyota Kluger. It's a V6. It's come in with a check light, and I obviously use my scan tool to actually extract the fault code. This is actually the fault code that it's actually punched out. Okay, as you guys can see, it's actually saying it's a knock sensor. So what I already done was I've done some basic checks before I actually remove the manifold to actually get to my two sensors. Come inside. So what I got is my multimeter. I got it on 200k ohms. So what I want to do is just check it for resistance. Have a look at the meter. Okay, so what we're doing is we just want to check it for continuity. The first one, can you see that number? Okay, it's about 198. See the number? Okay, so that's telling me that's okay. So this is the second one. Nothing. Okay, it's not even giving us a reading. I suspected that before I even tested it. How did I suspect it? Okay, it's a very common fault on the V6 Toyotas. On this particular sensor, as you can see, there's actually rust marks where it actually bolts into the stud. Okay, that actually screws onto the block. See that one? There's no rust mark, right? That's the first indication. Come over here. As you guys can see, this is a V6 engine. If you look at it, on the left bank, it's a lot lower than the right bank. Okay, so what happened is over the years, there's probably water from people degreasing the motor, and the water's gone down into the valley, and it's actually soaked up the sensor, especially the left bank, and it's actually shorted it out. So that's what's happened. The symptom that it actually gave us was that the customer was complaining that it had no power on the first initial start. So that was the first sign. All right. There's actually a wiring loom that you guys can actually test if you can get to it. See that wiring plug down there? Right down where my finger is, there's a 4-wire plug that runs just under the throttle body underneath the inlet manifold. So if you guys can actually probe into that and check for signal and earth before you rip out the manifold and check your sensor. But that's a most common fault. Okay?
rồi, muốn sao nữa?